What's cracking? Welcome back to my channel. I'm showing you what SPFs work well on the girls like me, okay? Today's video, we're just going through all the ashiness. We're trying on 4 different SPFs that work well with my skin tone, so that anybody's skin color darker or lighter, if they wanted to know what SPF works that doesn't have like a white cast left on their skin, I tried on 4 different ones for you today. You know, so enjoy it, sit back, relax, protect your neck, get moisturized, and make sure you apply your SPF from here on out. I won't hear no excuses. There's about, what, 8,500 people? I want to make sure that all 8,000 of y'all have SPF. I don't want to hear no excuses. I want us to look as youthful as possible for as long as possible. Copy? Anyway, enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't even know what any of those do, but everybody be like, comment, subscribe, so do the same for me. No shade. And that's all I have. I'm late for work. I was supposed to leave my house 10 minutes ago. So, as you know, I be trying to like educate y'all as I go, and as I learn new stuff, I fill you in, but I just wanted to let you know that the girls need SPF. I don't know who has told you that you don't, who has told you that, you know, people of color do not need it, or it's not, the sun isn't damaging to us because we have color. It's a lie. It's fake news. Ooh, dare I quote him. It's just not what it's hitting for. We actually very much so need, more than others, damn near to me, SPF, because we have to protect what keeps us more youthful than. Okay, so I have already tried, tested, signed, sealed, delivered the Paula's Choice SPF. Outstanding. I'm about to show you how it goes. I'm going to work right now, and I already just did my full skin routine, shower, all that, so I'm ready to show you guys everything. As you know, for like the past few months, it's almost finished, I've been using the Supergoop SPF. Great for our skin because it doesn't have the white cast. That's my #1 issue with finding SPF. I thought there was no SPF available to me that was not gonna leave me looking ashy, casket sharp, looking like I just came ready from Halloween, Addams Family. I can go on and on. Great option. It has like a silicone finish, you know, that easily dissolves. Nothing shows up on your skin. Another 2 options that I picked up is the Beat Shield by Crave Beauty and the Glossy Invisible Shield Sunscreen. So let me just open up the Beat Shield, John. It says it's a type gel fluid, white cast, NA, cute. Sheen is natural, and the volume is 50 milliliters. It says the application guide is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all year round. Reapply if needed. Allantoin Vitamin C. Oh, that's cute. It's a gentle exfoliant day fluid that protects your skin from harsh environmental stressors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put Paula's Choice up here, Beat Shield over here, and Glossier over here, so you can get a full rounded view of what it's giving, to make sure you guys understand that there's no white cast, except for the ash on my hands yet again. Girl, I need some lip gloss. This is how she comes. Also the size of the Unseen sunscreen. So I'm just going to apply right here. Yum. Let's open Glossier up. I actually tried this on my hand like 6 months ago. I wasn't sure what I was really supposed to be given, so denied. It comes out like so. Has a pumper. SPF 35 is what the bottle says. Oh, she's clear. She reminds me of Supergoop, the translucentness of it. Don't be afraid by this white right here. I think I have faith in her. I've seen her before. I know what she does. She's about to get to blending. That's splat. Okay, and lastly, I have Paula's Choice, which I've already been using daily. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna use it up here because I already know what it gives. It's like so sheer and it's watery, so up there. I'm gonna blend Paula's Choice in first because I know how she moves and I don't want her in my eye. So boom. Put on the hairline. You see? It was never there. It's a phantom. It's a phantom. She's gone already. She's you seen me at the club. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Okay. I guess I could put the Unseen on my chin just for a refresher course to let you guys know that it's also a great option. Girl, she's like, you ain't using me in a little minute, bitch. She's gagging. Okay, let me put her on my hand first. You see how Supergoop and the Glossier one looks similar? Wash off my hands so they don't cross-contaminate. Okay, let's go for the Beach Shield next. Very nice. Ooh. Ooh, the Beach Shield has like this jelly kind of it's like, ooh, I like this consistency. I'm in the mirror gagging. I like this consistency. It feels like, what does it feel like? It definitely reminds me of, no, it don't remind me of anything. Like, it's fluid like Paula's Choice, but the finish on my fingers, not so much my skin, is like, it's like a smoothing effect, if that makes sense. Like, Paula's Choice does feel that too. It's top. This is top. This is, they're tied. These babies is tied. Okay, let's go for Glossier. You know, it's a brand that's not really targeted towards my skin tone. But, so let's just, wow, instantly, no face, no case. Wow. Okay. And this one automatically spread out like white on rice instantly. You never had to wonder. It has a different kind of finish than these two liquid ones. It's a bit more sheer, but they're both already sheer. So, and we're gonna just, we know what Supergoop does, so let me just blend her down here. Supergoop compared to those other ones feel like I blended something on top, and then as I continue my day outside, it will infuse. But Supergoop definitely feels like you put something on top of your skin routine, as opposed to these feel like it's already embedded, it's like within it. But this one definitely, like, you know, it doesn't sit on top of my skin, it's just how the silicone feels. Left no trace, no case, no issues here at all. Wow. Wow. Damn, I don't know which one is my favorite. See how they all compare with how much SPF they have. Supergoop, SPF 40. The Beach Shield, I'm looking for it. I think they're the one up of this SPF, of the Beach Shield SPF, is that it has vitamin C. So if you do not have vitamin C already in your skin routine, I have it both in oil and in serum. You could just use the Beach Shield if you don't have vitamin C serums. That's pretty fire. Paula's Choice, I think, has the most out of all of them. All of them with SPF 50. These two are like neck and neck, but I think, I don't know, they're all three kind of tied. This one is a little bit leading in the race only because it has vitamin C. This one is definitely, I wish it could be a three-way tie, but only because they have more volume of SPF is why they come behind the Glossier one. But the Glossier one, it's alright. Yeah, I would say Paula's Choice, Beach Shield, Glossier, Supergoop. But I really like the Beach Shield first if you do not have vitamin C in your skin routine, but Paula's Choice knocks it out the park. And so does the Beach Shield. I don't know, it's a very hard tie. Just know if you see any of these and you're my skin, so if you're lighter than me or darker, you're good. You're good. Thank you for helping me, for putting on SPF with me. Look at my skin, tearing it down. And Sean Garrett Skin, you already know the vibes. Vibes, not vibes, vibes. Quick little New York lesson for y'all. And that's that. Enjoy your day and put on your SPF every day. Every day you leave that house, put on SPF, the SPF challenge, hashtag protect your neck. Okay? 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 Be advised, we will be doing an updated skin routine as a whole to show you all the new goodies that I have. Let me just give you a little sneak pizzy. Quick shout out to Simone for my Moroccan robe. She brought it all the way back from Morocco. And I love it. It's giving Crip Wifey with a twist. Get me out of here, dog. Put my eyebrows on just so you guys can understand what I'm saying, but you know, it's very hard when it's, you know. Thank you, bye.